Time now is 6:02. That wind advisory has been extended until 10 p.m. tonight. Was originally set to expire at 5 o'clock this morning, and some local roads are still shut down due to dangerous driving conditions. News Channel 3's Madison Weil is live on Gene Autry Trail this morning with a look at some of those conditions. Looks like Wizard of Oz out there. Madison.
Angela, good morning. I don't wish this on anybody. These winds are so intense out here. As Patrick said, right now we're on Gene Autry, right next to the I-10 freeway. As you can see right next to us, this road is completely shut down. Even some of those road blockades have blown over here on the road, so we're being careful this morning. Also, Indian Canyon at the Wash is shut down. So if you're heading out this morning, again, you're going to want to avoid Gene Autry and Indian Canyon. They're both closed right now because of this poor visibility and these dangerous driving conditions. You're going to want to take an alternate route. Palm Springs police encourage drivers to take Highway 111 north to the 10 freeway or Vista Chino to Date Palm instead. Now, we spoke to some drivers out here yesterday experiencing these winds firsthand.
It's pretty crazy. Just standing here, I can feel it push me up against the wall.
And that is another point to keep in mind when you are driving. We could feel the winds moving our cars around on the road, so maybe go slower this morning if you are heading out. When we have these winds, it can also create unhealthy air conditions. The good news is we no longer have a dust advisory for us here in the Coachella Valley, but nonetheless, if you are sensitive to winds, maybe a good idea to stay indoors if you can. Now, we're going to be monitoring these road conditions closely all morning. We're going to be back at 6:30 with another update. But for now, live in Palm Springs, Madison Weil, back to you guys.
And if you are in a high-profile vehicle like an RV, try to stay off those roads this morning. Thank you, Madison.